Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I have a very special guest. We haven't done this in a while, but if to my lifelong friends of several years of Pillow Talk with the Mattress King, I'm going to make him appear. So without further ado, is it ado? I'm going to have him appear. Hey, Pistol, how's it going? Mattress Prince, sorry.
Yeah, Mattress Prince here, yeah.
So what do you got for me today, man?
I've heard that you're a Tempur-Pedic guy.
I am. I like to sleep on Tempur.
So I'm curious to know, what's your top Tempur-Pedic choices for 2020? What's your top mattresses?
Man, that's a serious question. So what I would tell you is, instead of my opinion, because all people sleep differently, I will tell you the top 3 at Mattress Kingdom, and one of which happens to be this guy right here. This is the Tempur-Pedic Pro Adapt Medium Hybrid. The cool thing about this is it's a hybrid mattress, so it looks like a standard memory foam mattress. Comes with all the Tempur-Pedic original, comes with APR, comes with the removable cover.
What does APR mean?
Advanced Pressure Relief. It's one of their new developments as far as Tempur material goes. Cool to the touch. Removable cover that's also cool to the touch that you can wash in the washer. So that is, this guy right here is the #1 selling Tempur-Pedic of 2020 so far. And if I had to guess, it will remain the #1 mattress.
Nice mattress.
Now, number 2, Pro Adapt Soft has all this pretty much similar characteristics. Of course, obviously, it is a soft mattress. The other one was medium. Same thing. The biggest difference between the 2 mattresses is, one, this is soft, that's a medium, and secondly, it's not a hybrid. So head to toe, memory foam, your support center has no inner spring whatsoever. If you've watched any of my previous videos, hybrid, best of both technologies, memory foam, inner spring for your support system. This guy has memory foam, head to toe, across the board. And lastly, we don't have to walk all the way over there, but our number 3 mattress is called the Adapt Medium Hybrid. Step below these 2 beds in price and in material, so you don't get the removable cover and you actually lose the APR foam. But the reasoning, as you can see, is why it's in the top 3 is because it's a hybrid. Hybrids are the big things right now. They make sense. They have the best support in the industry as far as inner spring goes, and then the best contouring comfort material in the industry. And those are our top 3 mattresses of 2020, top 3 Tempur-Pedic mattresses of 2020. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe ask a few questions as great as the Mattress Prince. And I'll see you guys next week.